Hi, this is Diana from the blog Liking Our Love, and in this video we are going to be making some banana bread muffins. I'm going to be using up these really brown, nasty looking bananas. They look really bad right now, but don't worry, they're going to taste really good in this recipe. First thing you're going to do is get a small mixing bowl and add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to use a whisk and blend that together well. Once you finish, go ahead and set that to the side and grab a large mixing bowl. Add 1 egg, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and then you're going to use your spoon to mix that up really well. Make sure that everything is well combined. Just keep going into your wet ingredients. Look like this. Then you'll take your dry ingredients and dump it right into the bowl of wet ingredients. Use your spoon to blend it. Keep on going until it's well combined. It's gonna be dry and crumbly once you're finished. It looks kind of sandy, but the flour is well incorporated. Then you'll take your small mixing bowl once again, add your ripe bananas and mash them with a fork until they're pretty smooth, kind of like a baby food. Go ahead and grab your bowl and add 2 tablespoons of almond milk or regular milk if you want to. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the 3 mashed bananas. And 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Then just use your spoon to gently fold everything together. You don't want to over mix it, so just do it carefully just until these ingredients are incorporated. Next, line a 12-count muffin pan with cupcake liners. And then you just spray it lightly with some nonstick cooking spray. Then you go ahead and take your batter and divide it up evenly into the liners. I like to always wipe off the excess cooking spray before I stick it in the oven. So now you're gonna take these and stick them into your 325-degree oven and go ahead and bake them for about 25 minutes, maybe a couple minutes longer, but just make sure you're checking them frequently after 25 minutes so that they don't overbake. Take them out as soon as a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And there they go. They're all finished. One thing we really like about these muffins is that the top comes out a little bit crunchy and the middle is super moist. We hope you enjoy these muffins as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.